Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Sunny Sensei. In this lesson, we will prove the converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. If the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degrees, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. So, what do we have? We have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D such that angle DAB plus angle BCD equals 180 degrees. We'll prove that the quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. That is, all its vertices lie on a single circle. Let's start the proof with the fundamental property of circles. A unique circle passes through any three non-collinear points. Remember, non-collinear points are points that do not lie on a straight line. Now, points A, B, and D are non-collinear. So, we draw a circle O passing through these points. If we can show that point C also lies on this circle, then the quadrilateral ABCD will be cyclic. We will prove this by contradiction. Let us assume that point C does not lie on this circle. We place point C outside the circle, and the circle intersects DC at C prime. Now focus on quadrilateral ABC prime D. Quadrilateral ABC prime D is cyclic. And for a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. So, angle DAB plus angle BC prime D is 180 degrees. We are also given that angle DAB plus angle BCD is 180 degrees. From equations 1 and 2, angle DAB plus angle BC prime D equals angle DAB plus angle BCD. We cancel out angle DAB on both sides of the equation, and we have angle BC prime D equals angle BCD. Next, focus on triangle BCC prime. Angle BC prime D equals angle BCC prime plus angle CBC prime. Angle BCC prime is same as angle BCD, and we have now angle BC prime D equals angle BCD. So, angle BCD on both sides of the equation cancel out, and we are left with angle CBC prime equal to 0 degrees. What does it mean? This means that point C coincides with point C prime and lies on the circle O. Our assumption that C does not lie on circle O is incorrect. C and C prime are one and the same point. All four vertices of the quadrilateral lie on circle O, and therefore quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.